Hello everyone, today I'm going to be cleaning a drain line out here, and this is in our home here, and this is a pretty old drain line that gets clogged about every 6 months or so. So today I'm going to try out this Husky 1/4 inch by 25 foot powered drum auger. This can be used with 1 1/4 inch to 2 inch drain lines. I'm going to show you how I do clean my drain anyway. So I'm going to go in here and prepare. So I'm going to have a bucket underneath here because I'm going to be taking this P-trap off. There will be some water leaking out. I'll take the pipe off 2 places. The first place will be right here. And then back there where the drain pipe goes into the wall, or right before that anyway. I'm going to take it off right here. So that's what we have. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the auger. Take this off. There's a quick release right here. By just pushing that, releases the cable. So I'm going to pull out enough cable to take it underneath. I can pull it from underneath now. Okay, with the cable underneath here, I'm just going to feed it through the pipe that I took off. And it may be a little difficult at first to get it through. I may have to take this section off, but I think there we go. Okay, see it coming through now. And I'm just going to feed it through the back. I'm going to pull a little more cable through because what I want to happen is I want this cable to be able to go not only straight in, but I want it to be able to go ahead and make that first turn in here that goes into the wall. So I want to kind of do that by hand, or at least know from under here that it's already made that turn. Okay, so it's made the sharp turn into the wall. Now I can just hook up the pipe again here. Alright, so with the pipe connected underneath, I'm just pushing the cable now as far as I can, and that is as far as I can push it. So it's at some kind of obstruction now, or it could just be a bend in the pipe underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the sink now with water. Okay, now I'm going to push the auger down to about right here, and I'm going to lock it in. All right, I'm just going to spin it here a little bit until it frees up. Okay, so it's freed up, so I'm going to unlock it. And by hand, continue to push it. Watch for the water to drain. That's when I'm going to know that the clog is unclogged. Okay, so there's another obstruction there, so I'm going to move it up, lock it in. All right, there we go. And just spin it. And give it a little push. I don't really care to hold the handle up here. I kind of like to hold it down here. All right, now I'm going to unlock it. All right, another obstruction there. You can see the water starting to drain. Let's fill it back up again. Push the auger down, lock it in place, and spin it. And it's drained again. Go ahead and fill it up, see if it will fill up. Okay, so it's unclogged. And at this point, all right, there's another obstruction there. That's probably a turn in the pipe somewhere. Let's go ahead and clear that out. Alright, so that should be... I apologize for that. My phone stopped and I had to clear some storage out. But yeah, you did see it where I had unclogged it, and from that point on I just continued to run water through to make sure that it was cleared out, and just kind of ran the snake or the cable back and forth. Just in case there was anything that needed to be cleared out or opened up a little more. At that point, once I finished, I pulled the cable through, brought it back to the auger, and that was it. There was a little bit of hair. That's about all there was on it. So the only thing I was having a little trouble with, and it wasn't really trouble, but it was kind of awkward using it because I just really jumped into using this auger for the first time. I want to show you kind of how you're supposed to hold this and make it a little more comfortable to use. You saw me struggle with it, probably trying to find where to hold it. So let me adjust the camera here so we can get a better look. So it is really easy to hold. I'm right-handed, so I'm using my left hand to hold the handle on the bottom here. And then I would just grab my right hand, grab the handle here with my right hand and spin it the direction of the arrow, which would be counterclockwise. In the middle here would be where you could put your drill at if you wanted to use a drill. So you can really get as low as you want to here. Now I'm turning it counterclockwise. It's not as comfortable for me to turn it counterclockwise. You saw me do it clockwise and it worked out for me. That's how you're supposed to hold it, and it is easier and more comfortable to use regardless of how you turn it. So yeah, that's going to do it for the 1/4" 25-foot power drum auger by Husky. Thanks for watching the video, and have a great day. Take care.